I never thought I'd be excited about a piece of carbon, but here we are. Graphene is like the superhero of materials. It's incredibly thin, super strong, and conducts electricity better than anything we've ever seen. It's kind of like if you took a pencil and started writing, but each letter was only one atom thick. That's graphene for you. A single layer of carbon atoms that's changing the game in technology. So, I decided to dive into this whole graphene thing, and let me tell you, it's pretty mind-blowing. You know how we usually use electricity to make our computers work? Well, optical computing is like, nah, we're gonna use light instead. It's faster, more efficient, and way cooler, literally, because it generates less heat. And graphene? It's the secret sauce that makes optical computing possible. You want to know what's wild about graphene? It's ridiculously good at interacting with light. It's like that one friend who gets along with everyone at a party. Graphene can absorb, emit, and manipulate light in ways that make scientists do a happy dance. And it's not just about light. Graphene is also super flexible and conducts electricity better than copper. It's like the Swiss Army knife of materials, but cooler. But wait, there's more. Graphene is so thin that it's practically two-dimensional. I mean, if you stacked 1 million layers of graphene, it would still be thinner than a human hair. That's crazy, right? This thinness means we can make optical chips that are incredibly compact and efficient. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this graphene stuff sounds cool, but what can it actually do? Well, buckle up, because the applications are pretty wild. Data centers are already starting to use graphene-based optical chips to process information faster and more efficiently. It's like giving the internet a shot of espresso. Everything just moves quicker, but it doesn't stop there. Researchers are working on using graphene in AI systems, which could make our virtual assistants way smarter and less likely to misunderstand when we ask them to set a timer for our eggs. And get this, there's even talk about using graphene in our smartphones and laptops. Imagine having a phone that's paper-thin, charges in seconds, and never overheats. It's not science fiction anymore, it's just around the corner. Like researchers at MIT just created a graphene-based solar cell that's flexible and super efficient. And in China, they've built a graphene-enhanced battery that charges 5 times faster than normal ones. The future is coming at us fast, and it's wearing a graphene suit. So there you have it. Graphene is basically changing the game for optical computing and, well, pretty much everything else in tech. It's kind of like we've been playing checkers all this time, and graphene just introduced us to 3D chess. The future is looking bright, super thin, and incredibly fast. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll have graphene-powered flying cars. A girl can dream, right? Until then, I'll be here getting unreasonably excited about carbon atoms.